Once again, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. You already know what it is. Helmet making number 3, folks. And I almost dropped the helmet because it would have sucked if I dropped it. So, anyways, today we're going to be starting on another helmet, and this is called Shinkenger Gold, also known as Samurai Gold, from Power Rangers Samurai. And as it turns out, I bought this file myself, which I didn't even have my dad do it because I would have do it because I had no balls to do so. But yeah, so this is the helmet. It comes out really good. It is a really great file. You should go check it out. But I'm just letting you know, I'm inspired by Stickosaurus and other people that make helmets and stuff. So make sure you subscribe to Stickosaurus and make sure you subscribe to me. So without further ado, oh, and by the way, I got the putty done on my helmets. See, there's a lot of putty on there, and I got sanding, and I tried out the sander on my drill, and it actually works. So let's get sanding. Okay, so this looks all perfect, but I had to use the duct tape inside for the preview. So this is the preview. No, it kind of looks like off. It looks off, like you know what I'm talking about. So it's pretty detailed. So I got a problem. This is what I use for my Power Ranger helmets, though I tried to use it on that thing, but unfortunately it's not gonna work, except for these little guys over there. For these little guys, that can work. Though we're just gonna have to wait until I get the actual visors and the window tint for the cosplay. So it's gonna take a while, and we're gonna have to wait. All right, so the day has finally come. So guess what? I finally got myself some night shaders and some PETG sheets. Finally ready for the helmet. And also, this is what I did. So, and I believe, so let's say this actually worked. So, I believe this will be better than this will be better than this one right here. So, after that, so I'm gonna make a helmet template. So once I'm done with that, we'll get the visor put on as well with the elastic and then the magnets, and we'll get to the spin around. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna show you some good news and some bad news. So some good news is that I fortunately got the helmet, but the bad news is it's this problem right here. So yeah, I'm really bad like at making the template for the visors, like you know what I'm talking about. Like this is the front, and yeah, so don't know what else I'm gonna say. So anyways, we'll get the magnets and elastic put in right now. that is Samurai Gold or Shinken Gold finished. So I'm going to give an overall rating about this helmet, but I would just give this like a 7.5 out of 10 because the visor though, see the visor? It's not looking that good, but and you know what is the triggering part? It's these guys right there. But these one were mainly easy, but this one was just a little hard, you know. But like last night I was sweating all at once. So yeah, but mainly here's the thing. Usually my files that I get from like, you know, like CD Trader comes out with all out, you know, like, you know what I'm saying? But like the helmet though, it was alright, but I'm gonna give this overall rating a 7.5 out of 10 because I need to do a better job with this. So, and I believe that will wrap up for today's helmet making video today. So if you're new here, I want you guys to make sure you like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss on every video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Farewell.